Primavera City is a mixed-use development by Italpinas Development Corp. Located in Uptown CDO, which is an up-and-coming and booming area located in Pueblo de Oro Business Park. So it is near SM City Mall, several schools, including Xavier Grade School and High School, and Xavier University will also be moving in the Uptown area as well. It's also near hospitals, making it a very convenient location for you to do business in. Currently, we are in Cita Verde, their first building, as we will be featuring their available commercial spaces for sale. So we have 3 commercial units available on the ground floor, and then we have office spaces on the 2nd and 3rd floor up for sale. All are already ready for occupancy. So once you fully pay for your unit, then you can just literally move in, start renovations, and then start using your unit. This is one of the units that is available. The smallest size for their office space is 40 square meters. And the biggest size is 138 square meters. However, if you need bigger space, then you could just invest in adjoining units so you could maximize or increase the total floor area. For the commercial units on the ground floor, it has 2 frontages, so one here in front and the other is at the back. So you can enter from either the back or the front entrance, and it's a through property, so 2 frontages. This is one of the units that is available. The one beside it is available as well. If you need bigger space, you could just knock down this partition to connect the 2 spaces. The units will be turned over already fully tiled, and then you can just, it's also an open floor plan. So it's up to you as the owner to put in partitions as needed. Primavera City is equipped with green technology such as solar panels for renewable energy and rainwater collection to enhance consumption of water. So as tenants, you would be able to enjoy these amenities as well. information on their commercial units, message me. My contact info is in the description, and I will see you on my next video.